Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we had a comment on one of our videos and somebody was saying Divi has dropped support for YouTube videos in their video module, and also in the code module you can't make it autoplay. Well, I think you're mistaken. I've got the latest version of Divi here. It's 2020, it's December the 1st. Let's just go to the dashboard, make sure which version I've got here. Yeah, I'm using 4.7.4 at the moment. And no, it hasn't dropped any support for them. And I'll show you two ways to embed them. So I'm going to enable my Visual Builder. And let's go down and let's just add a new row. And make it 2 columns. Let's go down and find our video. There's the video module. And right here it says video MP4 file or YouTube URL. So let's get rid of what they've got there. I'm going to add a video. I'll insert it from a URL. I'll just go over to YouTube and grab one of my videos here. And I'm going to paste the link just up there. And there's the video. And we can insert it into the post. And that looks like it's working pretty well to me. And it's playing fine. Great. So as you can see, it's supporting a YouTube video here. The other way to do this is to actually embed a code. And to do that, simply go to the video you want to share. Or go down to share at the bottom. I want to hit the embed button. And here's the embed code right here. We can just simply hit the copy button. There's a few controllers down here. You can show the player controls. You can have it start at a certain position. So I'm going to go ahead and copy. Okay, let's get a regular code module up. Divi comes with all the blue icon ones here, plenty to get any sort of site going. Let's paste our code in here. As you can see, it's pulled that video in. Great. Now if we wanted to make it autoplay as soon as it loads, just go to the end of the URL for the actual video itself there. We're going to put question mark autoplay equals 1. And as you can see, it's auto playing. So yeah, it does still support autoplay. It does still support embedding. And it does support native YouTube. Let me just pause myself there. And it does support native YouTube video uploads too. So let's save our changes, make sure everything's going to work on the front end. And exit the Visual Builder. There we go. There's our two little videos. And the one on the right, as you can see, auto plays. And the one on the left plays manually as normal. So there's two ways to embed videos into your Divi website. So I hope you've enjoyed that today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.